Now we've been dating for about 5 years. Shared good times when we both had fears. Don't really know where I stand all along. You know what to say just to string me along. Another day, another week, another month turns to another year. I'm holding on, but it's clear that this love ain't going nowhere. You gotta show me this. You gotta show me something. I'm about ready to quit. I need you. Show me a plan. I need a plan, need a man. I need you to prove that you care. Gonna put a ring upon my hand. I need you. I need you. Step up. I need you. Step up. Step up. I need you. Step up. Step up. You gotta show me that the future remains. You gotta show me something.
Naitwa Jogo Comedian
Na mimi naitwa Alicia.
na tuko hapa Deya Mekoyoine in Nashu, Kiambu County. Na we are here courtesy of Jasamu Merchant Limited.
Yes.
Tunakuuzia plots za 50 by 100
Yes.
with ready title deed.
Exactly.
Tunakuuziaje?
330,000 only. Unapatiwa shopping voucher yako safi.
Yes. Na kama unataka kulipa mdogo mdogo, unaweka deposit ya 150k. Balance unalipa in 6 months na utalipa 370k inclusive of title deed.
Exactly.
Ukitoa 370 hakuna kutoa za title.
Yes. Exactly.
Watatupata wapi?
Ukitaka kutupata unaweza tupigia namba iko hapa. Na kama unataka kuja kwa ofisi zetu, kuja pale Kikuyu Town, Mogoko Business Center, first floor, room B1 utatupata pale.
Hapa Jasamu Merchant Limited tunasemanga
affordability is our language.
From Jamaica, Irie. Yeah. So I'm not from Jamaica. I'm from Hawaii. You guys know Hawaii? Aloha. My father's family is Jamaican heritage. That's where I got the name. Irie Love is my real name. I love you. You ready? Irie Love. Lose your faith, 'cause I'm never giving up on you. Now wait, sit together, we gon' make it. Lose your faith, 'cause I'm never giving up on you. Now wait, sit together, we gon' make it. I'll be right, the lights you need. Now Okay, one love. We're gonna sing it together. I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let my past all them dirty reminds. Yes, there is one question I really have to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinner who has hurt all mankind? Just a Savior's own, but leave me one love, one upon one heart. Oh, yeah, yeah. As it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Alright, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will say, one more thing, let them together and fight this holy arm of you. When the rain comes, there will be no doom. Have pity on those whose chances don't be enough. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation. One love, what about one heart? Feel alright as it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Alright, give thanks and praise to them, and I will. We say again, let's get together and feel alright. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and we will feel alright. I'm gonna say Kenya because it's the whole country. You guys have loved this song for so long, and I'm so grateful to finally be here to sing for you. I've heard some people were confused and they thought it was Elaine. I love my sister Elaine, but this is my song. So we are here, we're gonna sing it together. Thank you for loving my music. I hope you continue to love my music. This is Irie is my Instagram. Follow me. Continue on this journey together as we step up. Now we've been dating for about 5 years. Shared good times when we both had fears. Don't really know where I stand all along. You know what to say just to string me along. Another day, another week, another month turns to another year. I'm going on, but it's clear that this love ain't going nowhere. You gotta show me you gotta show me something, 'cause I'm about ready to quit. I need you. Show me a plan, I need a plan, need a man. I need you to prove that you care. It's gonna put a ring around my hand. I need you. I need you. Step up. I need you. Step up. Step up. I need you. Step up. Step up. You gotta show me there's a future in this. You gotta show me something. It's now. You gotta show me there's a future in this. You gotta show me something. I need to know right now. 'Cause I ain't gonna be here sitting around waiting. I have come to the end of my patience. I ain't gonna be your fool. Love you without a commitment. I don't wanna be that fool. No hope of a happy ending. I
nĩ ndĩrakwĩra future yakwa ĩ haha ĩni
rĩu ũrageria kuga atĩrĩrĩ ndĩ sponsor waku no ndireciria ndirĩ haki
wĩna cio no rĩrĩ like tarora we future tũngĩkorwo nayo ndĩna kamũgũnda gakwa
rĩu ũrageria kuga atĩrĩrĩ nyũmba nĩ ndĩrakũrĩhĩra ya 100 waini ndirakugurira ndige gukugurira pizza ndirakuraga ndige gukugurira
ti uguo na mbicio ciothe handu tombe tweka mugunda nĩ ngure ingigwa wega nginywa kawaini kau ndi gwakwa ndi kamugunda-inĩ gakwa harĩa balcony-inĩ ndona future hawe
marendia tia broti ĩno
marendia 330,000 alafu makanengera shopping voucher
atiriri
ndariga in cash shopping voucher
That cash no kaheo shopping voucher maretwo atia aya
maretwo Jasamu Merchant Limited
okay makoragwo
harĩa Gikuyu nona Muguko Business Center first floor room B1 wathi hau nĩ ũkũmakora
ndĩ mũndũ wendete ng'ũndũ tondũ rĩrĩ ũyũ nĩ ready soil
exactly
ũguo nĩ kuga atĩrĩrĩ we can do some agri business here even if I'm your sponyo uniambie kama unaweza lima nisinunue hii shamba alafu useme utaki kulima
unajua unapenda kulima kwa hivyo shamba iko tayari
we do some agri business here hii plot inatoshanaje
it's 50 by 100 yes
iko na title kumaanisha sasa hii ni 50 by 100
yes
kafuroti ka 50 by 100
yes
joke nayo 50 by 100 ndine ngi haha eno akire 50 by 100 ngi rĩu nĩ kuga atĩrĩrĩ ndaoya kashi nĩ ngũruta cia taitu ka cia taitu irio hau bei-inĩ icio tũraruta cia taitu okay twĩke atĩrĩrĩ nĩ wangenia mũno ti side chiki ingĩ makoragwo na hakiri tawe tondu arĩa angĩ turakĩmagũrĩra rĩ indo ingĩ na kũu ũguo no we nĩwone ko ũrenda kamũgũnda ngehithaga ngoka haha tũgaikara haha tũthiĩ obici ĩyo yao ngarĩhe tũthiĩ ngarĩhe
ciothe nĩ taitu ici ciothe nĩ cia andũ arĩa othe maigithĩtie na ithuĩ Jasamu Merchant Limited nĩcio ici ũngĩrora nginya ĩno rĩ yandĩkĩtwo Jasamu Merchant Limited wona wagũra rĩ tũragũ transfer ĩgoka-inĩ rĩtwa-inĩ rĩaku
ũkĩona andũ aya othe magũrĩte na ici nĩ taitu nĩ kuga kwĩna potential ya growth
exactly
gũkũra kũrĩa gũkũrĩte ona ndiũĩ gũkwĩra atĩ
na rĩu mũndũ mũngĩ rĩ agũraga rĩrĩa kwĩna raithi andũ maigũria manyũmba kũu ma mahigarĩ gũtikagũrĩka icio akĩrĩ mbeca cia thimũ tũratinda tũkĩara raini kũrĩa nĩkĩ ndũhe account tha ici
account haha oya wĩkĩre ũwĩke atĩ wĩgwatĩre plot yaku
oh my god okay, thanks. Oh, thank you.
Kedona rĩu rĩ icio nĩ mbeca cia thimũ rĩu rĩ na rĩtwa rĩ ĩrandĩkwo rĩake
rĩtwa rĩkwandĩkwo rĩake andũ a njĩra wĩtagwo atĩa madam
Alicia
nĩ wagwĩra na gabũroti we wagĩra gabũroti we
nĩ small girl with God
exactly
ndagĩka ĩno tũraria rĩ nyamũ ciĩ thĩinĩ
tũtigĩthiĩ twĩrio buroti no mũkũhe indo kanini ndĩmũ transfer title okay harĩ mũirĩtu
no problem
we mũirĩtu wĩ mũgĩ
itapata head sasa
kabisa
twandĩkĩre rĩthiti
ndekere mwandĩkĩra rĩthiti ndĩmũnengera rĩthiti mũinũke nayo
nĩguo yes
mũno